Okay, so today's lesson will be on interpreting a financial aid award letter. So today's objectives. We will recognize the options available upon receiving a financial aid letter. We will also analyze the parts of the financial aid award letter. And last but not least, identify the effective strategies for negotiating additional financial aid. Okay, so acceptance. Now what? Congratulations. You received the acceptance letter from college. You really want to attend. Your hard work in the classroom has paid off, but what happens now? Before you can enroll in the school of your dreams, you must first figure out how you want to pay for the cost associated with your education. What does a financial aid award letter contain? So basically what let's look at the bullets in blue. It basically contains the following: specific loan, grants, scholarships, and or work study opportunities, the monetary value of each type of aid, the school's total cost of attendance, the portion of these cost of attendance that is not covered by financial aid, which is your expected family contribution. So those are the things that are contained, okay? So for the students that are at home, I'll basically click on each one of these. And you can always pause the video or watch it again if you need to use this vocabulary when you're filling out the worksheet. So which type of financial aid must you repay after graduation? Scholarships. Oh, sorry. Scholarships. Nope. Scholarships you do not have to pay back. Okay? So what would be my other option? Is it loans? Yes, it's loans. Loans you have to pay back. Grant you do not pay back, and earnings from a work-study job you do not pay back either. Okay, so how do there we go. Okay, so since a college education can be expensive, being able to accurately interpret a financial aid letter is very critical. Only by knowing what an award letter says, you can know exactly what type of agreement to do when you accept a college offer for financial aid. So this is the form, okay? So first, you have the cost of attendance. And like I said, this is where you can pause if you need the vocabulary word. So this is the cost of attendance, and this is only an estimate, okay? Next, we have missing information. This letter does not include other costs that many students might have to consider. For instance, neither room and board nor the cost of books are included in this form. Next, financial aid package. This section, the aid package lists several sources funding, but the aid is not categorized and some abbreviations are unclear. A may not realize that G is short for, I can't see what it says on the right. Okay, unfortunately, I'm sorry kids, I cannot see what. Okay, but what I can see from here is that L stands for loan. G is short for grant, I believe, that's what it says. And I cannot read the rest, I'm sorry. Expected net. Expected net is the cost that a student is expected to pay up front. The COA minus the total amount of financial aid. This is also known as the expected family contribution. However, once again, this number does not take into account some expenses associated with college education, such as room and board and books. Okay, so let's go ahead and review this problem here. Based on this letter, how much aid is University A offering that does not have to be paid back? So let's look at this. Which do not have to be paid back? I can tell you that grants don't have to be paid back. So the Pell Grant doesn't have to be paid back. Okay. Federal Perkins, I don't know about that one. Substaff L, Merit School. Okay. So let's see. Total aid, 21. So let's just say that 6,000, just to see if we get it right. Let's submit it. Try again. Notice that the letter offers two types of aid that do not have to be repaid. Oh, okay, let's retry. So I bet you that the federal Perkins is one that doesn't have to be paid back, and the federal Pell. So 6 plus 3, 9,000, but it's not here. It's not here, okay? So substaff, I'm not sure what that is. Let's try 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try 11,000. Nope, sorry, this is not correct. The correct answer is 17,000. Federal Pell Grant refers to grants 6,000, and the Merit School refers to scholarships for $11,000 together. These add up to 17,000. In gift aid, which does not have to be paid back. Oh, okay. See, I learned something. Okay, so you can try this one by yourself. I cannot make this video too long, but using the website, you can try this problem by yourself. Okay, so if you don't understand, step 1, pick up the phone. Step 2, ask questions. Step 3, clarify the details. So select each step to fully understand the financial aid award letter. Okay, and what I would like for you, if you're home, is open the website and click on each one of these. Again, I cannot make this video too long. I'm almost at my limit of allowance. So what happens once you have interpreted a college financial aid letter? 4 steps. 1, accept it. 2, decline it. 3, accept one part of the package, like gift aids you don't have to repay, but decline the other, like loans. And 4, negotiate. Okay, so facts about the financial aid. Declining any type of aid increases the upfront cost that you must have to pay for college. 2, accepting student loan means taking a debt that must be repaid with interest after graduation. 3, student loan debt can last 4 years, even decades. So take on only what you need. You can always negotiate a better deal. And you may pause this and read this by yourself. You can try this problem also by yourself using the website. Okay, again, you can read this by yourself using the website, because I'm about to run out of time. You can also pause it from here. Okay, so these, I will go ahead and click on each one of them. You can pause it at home and read it yourself. Be courteous, there. Be prepared. Be specific. Be diligent. Be persistent. Let's wrap it up. So remember, the financial aid letter spells out the total cost of attending school. The financial aid letter is your offering. The amount you will be responsible for paying up front. You can do this quick check on the website. Now, go ahead and download the form and complete the activity. Once you complete it, send it to me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.